first exercise that I'm going to be demonstrating today is called the Romanian deadlift. Now for the Romanian deadlift, you're going to have the grip of the bar, you're going to have an over-under grip, alright? You can either have your left or right hand over and under, whatever you prefer. Now, for the width of your hands, when you're straddling the bar, you want to have your hands at least shoulder width apart or wider. Again, it's another preference thing. So when you're deadlifting, when you have the bar up here, you want to keep your chest up and your back straight. When you go down, even though you're technically supposed to keep your legs straight, you want to keep them at a slight bend. And then you want to stick your butt out, bring it down, go straight down with it, come back up, all while keeping your erector spinae straight, chest out, keep everything straight. You only want to go down as far as you feel comfortable with, and then back up. You don't want to overextend. We're working the hamstrings, the biceps femoris, the semitendinosus, and the semimembranosus. Keep everything straight. Also with this, you also want to stay lightweight. You don't want to go very heavy. You don't want to risk injury. That's the Romanian deadlift. The second exercise I'm going to be performing are called walking lunges. Now for walking lunges, what you want to do is you want to start, chest up, back straight, and then you want to take a big step ahead of you, and then you want to lunge out. Now when you lunge out, you want your knee to be right over your heel. Alright, you don't want your knee to be overextended over your toes, and you don't want to have your knee back. You want to have your knee just about over your heel. You want to have that toe dug in the ground, and then when you lift up, you're going to feel it up, and then come up. Now, for walking lunges, it's about stability. Alright, you want to keep your chest up, you want to keep your rhomboids pinched back, and then when you go out, again, have that knee over your heel, come up. The muscles being worked in this exercise, again, it's more the gluteus maximus and the biceps femoris, alright? Come up, keep everything straight, knee over heel, extend out, never let that back knee touch the ground, come up, walking lunge. The third exercise I'm going to be going over is called the barbell squat. Now for the barbell squat, when you get underneath the barbell on the rack, you want to rest the bar on your trapezius. You don't want it up on your neck, and you don't want it down slumped over your deltoids. You want it up on your trapezius, nice and rested. And then what you're going to do is you're going to have your feet at least shoulder width apart, slightly angled out, so that when you go down, it's easier on your knees. So what you're going to do is you're going to keep your eyes up, never look down. When you look down, you tend to bend your back. Keep your eyes up, chest out, back straight. Go down as far as you can go. Try to keep those knees over your toes. Alright? The further that you put your hips back, the easier it is to keep the knees over the toes. Alright? You want to go down. Try to make your legs parallel. Back up. It's just like sitting down in a chair. Alright? We're focusing mainly on the gluteus maximus and the quadriceps, also known as the vastus medialis, intermedius, and also the lateralis. Alright? Barbell squat. The last exercise I'll be demonstrating is like this. It's called the split squat. Now for the split squat, it's similar to the walking lunge. Same position. You want to get down, leg back, knee over heel, and all you're going to do, rather than walking, you're just going to go straight down. Your front leg doesn't do much motion. All you're doing is bringing that back knee to the ground. Front knee is staying over the heel, going down and up. We're working the quads, the glutes, and also the hamstrings. Back up. Keep everything straight. Keep your chest up, eyes up. You can add dumbbells for resistance. And that is the split squat.